What problem are we solving? 70% of kids quit the sport by the age of 14. 50% of kids are injured because there is no real foundation. What is your product in one sentence? It's easy. Peaksters is the first AI application for kids, which makes them safer and stronger. Just 15 minutes a day through real-time feedback and gamified magic.
Yeah.
Why now? Sports got faster. Kids specialize at 6. Actually, they don't have any basics. No free play, no balance. We need a smarter start. What makes us different? First is that we are only one with a real-time feedback. No guessing. Kids are getting instant corrections. Second one is that we have gamification which motivates, no distraction. And the third one is we are science-based and we are structured, so you can have a pro athlete level trainings anytime, anywhere. AI or human instinct? Of course, humans, real coaches, are better. But where can we find 240,000 coaches in just European Union? So we are teach through artificial intelligence, but guided by real experts. Young energy or experience? Both. Conditional training is old school. Artificial intelligence and gamification is a new energy. So together, that's where the magic is happening. Follow trends or set them. We create. While others fix a doubts problem, we go to the root and build kids right from the start.